Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to make a photo frame. One of my friends mentioned in the comment box to make a handmade photo frame. So let's make it. Basically we need these things to make a beautiful photo frame. So let's start with the first one. Here I have taken two identical rectangle shapes. I have also made some structure designs on it. So now we will cut it into the shape. Here I am using this as a frame for the another one. I have also markings designs on the outline. So let's cut it. We have completed cutting on the four sides. Let's do the next one. Okay, now we will see how to make this semi-flower shapes. Now let us make these leaves part. Now let us make these designs. just different type of coils. I made it with different color strips, and these are just a part of strips I have cut and folded it. Now let us join them all. Here you can see I have put gum to 3 sides, but I have left one side because we can insert photo from that side. Here you can see the gap to insert the photo. Now let's start pasting them all. We have pasted everything at its place. Now let it dry for some time. Everything is completely dried, and you can see that our photo frame is very beautiful. And I have added a stand and a cardboard to the back side of our photo frame. You can keep it in this direction, or you can reverse it and you can use it in this direction also. Now I am inserting a photo in it. You can see the gap here. Through this gap I am inserting the photo. This is my favorite car, so I am inserting that picture in this photo frame. Yeah, now our photo frame is ready to use. You can see that it is very beautiful. Yeah, it's done.